Hello guys, welcome back to a new episode of Happy and Healthy Life. Today I am making a super tasty snacks item, that is homemade chicken nuggets. Guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. To make the chicken nuggets, first I am cutting the bread into small pieces. Then blending the pieces to crush them. Next, I am grinding the chicken and make a semi-smooth paste. Now I am adding the crushed bread, salt, chili flakes, black pepper powder, oregano, ginger garlic paste and Kashmiri red mirt. Again, I am blending all the ingredients and make a paste. Now I am spreading some oil on the chopping board and placing the paste. Next, I am kneading the dough and spread it uniformly. With the help of a cookie cutter, I am cutting the dough into a shape. It gives the nuggets a beautiful shape. You can use different shapes or use your hands to make the shapes. Now in a bowl, I am taking 3 whole eggs, one-fourth cup of milk, 1 teaspoon oregano, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon black pepper powder and some salt. Now I am mixing it. In this mixture, I am dipping the nuggets one by one. Then transfer the nuggets in the breadcrumb and coat it well. Now placing the coated nuggets on a tissue paper and refrigerate it for 30 minutes. Next, I am deep frying the nuggets for 5 to 6 minutes on medium to low flame. Make sure that the nuggets are not over fried. Now I am placing the nuggets on a plate. Finally, I am serving the hot and spicy nuggets with some dip sauce. You can see how crunchy the nuggets are. Guys, if you like the recipe, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all notifications. I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Till then, take care and stay healthy.